NewsRme. Asian markets are lukewarm as bargain hunting mitigates outlook concerns. Asian investors had difficulty making up for their losses from the day before. They were worried about Europe's worsening energy crisis, China's slowing economy, and the central bank's efforts to stop rising inflation. But the dollar lost momentum against its major rivals as traders took profits. The euro got some support ahead of an expected interest rate hike by the European Central Bank, and the sterling got a boost when a new prime minister was chosen. In response to sanctions over Ukraine, Russia decided Monday not to start sending gas to Europe again. This sent shockwaves through trading floors and made it more likely that major economies would suffer a painful recession. The selling was mostly on European bourses, but they recovered some of their earlier losses when analysts said the shutoff had been expected to happen. Since Wall Street was closed for a holiday, Asia didn't have many new things to make people buy. In the first few hours of trading, markets went up and down. Hong Kong, Seoul, and Wellington went down, while Shanghai, Sydney, Singapore, Taipei, and Jakarta went up a little bit. Both Tokyo and Manila had no hills. Many clients ask if we've hit rock bottom yet and if a global recession is coming. BNP Paribas Wealth Management Hong Kong's Grace Tam told Bloomberg Television. "We think there is a high chance of a global recession, especially next year, and that the energy crisis has not yet been fully priced," she said. Thursday, the European Central Bank, ECB, will decide interest rates. This is the next big event for investors, and some experts think that a 75 basis point increase will help bring down inflation, which is at a record high. Later in the month, there will be a meeting of the Federal Reserve, where policymakers will discuss making a similar move, which would be the third increase in a row. But even though central banks are raising interest rates on loans to try to stop prices from going up, they don't have much control over the price of oil, which is a big reason why prices are rising. And on Monday, OPEC and other major producers announced they would cut production. This made both main contracts go up. The move came after the price of crude oil dropped in recent months because people worried about a possible recession, which hurt demand.